Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo device is only charging when you hold the cable at a certain angle, you're experiencing a common issue with charging ports. This problem often occurs due to wear and tear, dust accumulation, or a loose connection within the port. If left unaddressed, it could lead to more severe power issues, possibly leaving your device completely unusable. To tackle this problem effectively, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and a replacement charging port specific to your Lenovo model. First, ensure your device is powered off and carefully remove any case or cover. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover of your Lenovo. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the cover is off, locate the charging port on the motherboard. It's usually situated near the bottom of the device. Inspect the port for any visible damage or debris that may be causing the connection issues. If you identify any dust, use the tweezers to gently clean it out. Next, you will need to unscrew the screws holding the charging port in place. These screws are typically small, so be careful not to lose them. Apply a gentle but firm pressure while unscrewing, ensuring you do not strip them. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect the charging port from the motherboard by pulling it away carefully. Now, take your replacement charging port and align it with the connection on the motherboard. Ensure it fits securely before pressing it down. Reinsert the screws to secure the new port in place, applying just enough force to keep it firm without over-tightening. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After securing the charging port, reattach the back cover of your Lenovo, making sure all clips are in place and the device is sealed properly. Finally, power on your device and test the charging function with your cable to verify that everything is working as it should. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your charging port to remove any dust or lint. Additionally, avoid yanking or twisting the charging cable when plugging and unplugging it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.